Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with the Aldom 2-in-1 USB cable. According to them, the world's first cable that will charge both iOS and micro USB devices with one cable. So let's get started. So here's the Aldom 2-in-1 USB cable for both Android and iOS. It's 2.1A, so it's fast charging. So out of the box, it's a nice, strong, braided, thin cable. So now it's time to show you that it works. I'll plug in the USB end. And first we'll try an iPad. I had to borrow this from my buddy Glenn and his son because I don't own any iOS devices. But you just turn up the lightning side, plug it in, and you're charging. So now we'll take my Samsung Tab tablet, turn it over to the other side, plug it in, and with a micro USB, we're charging. So that's the Aldom 2-in-1 USB cable, folks. Great for those of you that have a family with iOS and Android devices or any other micro USB. It'll probably save you a little money on cables and also time with messing with a bunch of different cables. It's only $7.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for both Amazon and for the Aldom website. As always, thanks for watching, and comments are welcome.